make it a little thicker there. How about that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking about putting that on the new black grill with some tie wraps or something. People be like, man, where'd you get that custom grill at? It's a Toyota custom grill. We're gonna mess around with it and have fun, right?
Right.
All right. Welcome back to Markham's Motors. We have another Corolla update. Not that a lot of people's really interested in that. It's more about just making something old look a little better. This is the original grill. We've been buffing and shining on this thing and got it looking pretty good for a 2003 model, right? This chrome still looks good, but this is irreparable. I mean, I could spend a lot of time taping the chrome off here that's really in good shape and trying to paint this. There's gray, you know, I could try to paint it something, make it look a little better, but this was like 30 bucks. Yeah, I thought it was painted. I don't know if y'all can see in the light, there's these little, see those little marks right there? It's kind of annoying. So I am gonna paint this and pop it in, talk about the latest 3D printed from China mass production stuff, but hey, it won't look factory. I mean, somebody might think I want to race. All right, guys, I got a special guest today helping me out with this project. It looks easy enough. I think he could do it. Leland's gonna wet sand this for us. It's real slick. To get paint to stick to it, we're going to get it ready. You got this, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. See how that water's still kind of beading off of it and stuff? Mm-hmm. It really needs to have a little more bite to it. Let's wash it with this one, but let me wet this guy and let's get a little more bite with this red pad, okay?
All right.
I know it's a little big and gaudy, but just do the best you can. Thanks, buddy.
All right, Daddy. Those are out.
All right. I believe that pretty much has it loose. See,
Yeah.
but there's some little clips way down here I've got to figure out. I don't know if they push down or they push up. Take the whole front bumper off, ain't it?
Yeah, looks like it.
Toyota. Oh, I see what it is. Push right down right here on this bumper like this. That's trying to pull up. There we go. See, you pull these up and it pulls it out of this. There's a slot right there. And you pick this up and it lets it slide out of the slot. But when I was picking this one up, it was lifting the whole bumper. When you held it down, whew, pretty gross, ain't it?
Yeah.
Price of a mouse in that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Leland, I'm gonna need you to hold this grill. I had an idea. So this grill has this emblem. The new grill doesn't. This thing's not in bad shape. It's got a little bug on it, or a chrome peeling. I ain't real sure yet, but we'll figure it out. But if I could get these little tabs loose right here and get that part off, that'd be pretty cool. But it looks like they don't want to. We're gonna mess around with it for a minute and see. Why don't you hold that still? It may just break. I don't know. It's old. Oh yeah. This little car is kind of fun just to mess with. You know, we're not serious about it. It's not super nice or anything. We're gonna check out this little bug spot. Hit it with a. Get Leland to hit this guy. I'm thinking about putting that on the new black grill with some tie wraps or something. People be like, man, where'd you get that custom grill at? It's a Toyota custom grill. We're gonna mess around with it and have fun, right?
Right.
All right. All right, the Amazon grill was an epic fail. Right here didn't even line up. I had this thing looking good, and man, it fell down. Wind blew it over. It didn't weigh nothing. I got a chemical reaction between cold paint and a hot grill. We had a little fun since it was botched anyway. We stuck that guy on there. I'm going to show you what our fix is. We're going back OEM. I got the chrome. It was in good shape. Got it taped off. It's fine. It just looked bad. So we're going to paint this guy back up to something that looks better than what it does right now. First time I didn't use primer. We're going to try this, see if it can't get just a little bit more bond on the plastic. That other grill, man, that thing was it left a big gap at the hood. One of the tabs broke on it that holds it down here in this area. I'll show that to you whenever we work on it. May have to do a little wet sanding with this primer. Alright guys, this grill was an utter disappointment. I'll show you why when I get it out. We took the time to go ahead and refurbish the factory one. It's built, it's not broke. It's gonna look better than this. Sorry for working in the driveway. Leland had a birthday party. He's got the shop occupied. I'd rather break this than my original stuff. So, show you one of the disappointments. See how much thicker this was? That was a problem. I mean, it literally broke trying to put it in because they made it thicker. That goes in like it's supposed to. Easy peasy. I got a clip, put it back in here. We had a little fun with this silly grill, getting this guy put on there. We'll get him back where he goes. Pardon the dog. If you have an Australian Shepherd, you'll understand. He's got to protect the whole place. There's nothing to protect it from. Well, there you have it. Looks a whole lot better than it did before. We're going to roll with that. It was so cheap. Oh, live and learn, live and learn. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe for more little funny content. We do some serious stuff sometimes, just not today.